Good morning, students. Now continue our same chapter, lesson number 6 from page number 45, production of substances. We are discussing about the man-made and natural substances. In the man-made substances, how the rubbers frequently we are used in our daily to daily life are produced. Look at in the picture, you have seen different types of rubber objects: the eraser, ball, toys, and the wheels of our vehicles. Rubber is of two types: natural and artificial. Natural rubber is obtained from gum or sap of trees. This sap is called a latex. Rubber has a peculiar odor and it is white in color. And man-made rubber is produced with the help of the special process known as a vulcanization of rubber. In this process, rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours to give hardness to the rubber. Sulfur is mixed in it. The proportion of sulfur in the mixture is determined by the purpose of which the rubber will be used. And from these various types of rubbers objects are made. Example: erasers, rubber balls, rubber toys all have varying proportion of sulfur in them. In the rubber hand, the proportion of sulfur is very small. Hand rubbers, that means we have used for the rubber bands, etc. Look at here, you have given here. Do you know how we are got the natural rubber from the sap of the tree, and how the vulcanization of how the manufacturing of paper industries are working? The picture is given at the 6.2 diagram. Now move on to the next, how the papers are made. In the next picture, you have seen how is paper is made. Will form in the intervening of the cellulose fiber in grass, wood, rags or waste paper. Thus, paper is a kind of network of cellulose fiber. The cells present in every substance, it is a cellular fiber. What is made with of? The cellulose fiber get intertwined during the process of formation of paper, and this network is called paper. Bark from the logs of coniferous trees is removed and the wood is broken. Coniferous trees, they are found in the cold regions. The bark of these logs of coniferous trees remove किया जाता है. Wood is broken into small pieces. Look at in the diagram on the last page 45. It is mixed with certain chemicals and soaked for a long time. It is pieces, and this bark is broken into small pieces. They are mixed into certain chemicals and soaked for a long time. This forms a pulp type mixture is formed, and then dyes are mixed with the pulp and then passed through the rollers. After drying, it is wound on the reels. If we use more paper, more trees are felled. To save trees, we must use paper carefully. This is very important, students. You always remember, you have given on page number 46 what we have to remember. Always when you are writing, when something is wrong, you tear up the page and throw it. But remember, before you tear up the page and use the most of the papers, you cut one tree every time. Whenever possible, try to use a pencil and slate. Cooperate with people who collect paper from garbage or buy scrap paper. These people help in the proper reuse of these resources. Now, synthetic fibers. We are using various types of clothes, and every clothes are not made up with cotton, but they are made of with different materials: nylon, terylene, synthetic, silk. Then how these synthetic fibers or threads we obtain? From which substances in nature we get threads or fiber? We get threads from cotton, wool, jute, hemp, silk, etc. What are the clothes made from? Clothes are made from fibers. Now, synthetic fibers are nylon, decron, terylene, terine, polyester, rayon, etc. Nylon, it is the word nylon is coined from two cities: NY from New York and LON from London. Look at in your textbook, it is clearly mentioned how they are coined together. Nylon threads have a shine and strong, transparent and water resistant. We are used when we are go to resort. This type of clothes we are generally used. Also the fishing nets, ropes, etc. Then the next is the rayon. Cotton and what is it? Rayon threads are shining bright like sun's rays, and hence the name. They are called as the synthetic silk. Rayon is made from cotton and wood pulp by dissolving it in sodium hydroxide solution. Different types of chemicals, they hence they were named as a rayon. Now the next is next on the next page. Move on to next page. They are given different Decron, Terylene, and Terine. These Decron, Terylene, and Terine are different types of synthetic thread from hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons, what do you remember that Decron, Terylene, and Terine are synthetic fibers, and they are made with the help of from hydrocarbons. Different now new words hydrocarbon you have given, polymer chains you have given. It's only you have to remember, don't concern about.